I enjoy coming to PALS. Sometimes when I'm PALS, I help out the other kids, the little kids. Yeah, it makes me feel good.
Class that I love in PALS is art.
You'll also play air hockey or go outside. We get to learn all about the animals in the chicken coop.
If I wasn't coming to PALS, I would just stay at home and do nothing.
When you grow up in these tough areas, you grow up with a feeling of constant fear. As a peace officer, you come here and you actually see the smiling faces and you see the kids and you see how much you're impacting them. I think it's important that they understand that they have a safe haven and that they have very genuine people here that want to help.
Well, I came to PALS when I was 7 years old, and I've been here for 13 years. It helped me find my path in life, and it helped me grow as an adult. We want to bring more programs to kids like me when I was young, give them a path to grow up and a pathway to leadership, a pathway to college and be successful, to continue their education.
When I see Officer Sanchez, I see a person very brave, very kind. I want to be like her one day.
When I grow up, I want to be a soccer player and officer.
So please, contribute now and help our kids and community.